Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to today's tutorial video. In this video, we're going to learn how to withdraw from a Paybis account using the TRC20 Tether method. In the previous tutorial, you saw how we funded our account using this method, and now we want to withdraw that balance. To do this, on this page, you need to go to the wallet section. On the next page, you can see your different wallets along with their total balances. Keep in mind that if you want to withdraw Tether on the Tron network, you need to have some TRX or Tron to pay the transaction fee. Now, on this page, in the TRC20 Tether wallet section, click on the Send option. In the first section, you need to enter your personal wallet address, and in the next section, you select the amount you want to withdraw. In the next section, the withdrawal fee amount will be displayed to you. You can also write a note for your withdrawal, and at the bottom of the page, the withdrawal amount, the fee for this withdrawal, and the remaining amount of your Tether and Tron after this transaction will be displayed to you. Click on the Send USDT option. On the next page, you need to enter the code that has been sent to your mobile phone here to confirm this withdrawal. After entering the received code, your withdrawal will be successfully registered. To view the details of this transaction, you can go to the History section and in the Wallet section, see your transaction with full details. After a few minutes, you will see the withdrawn amount in your personal wallet. This was a tutorial on how to withdraw from your Paybis account using Tether on the Tron network. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.